a safer Windows 11. Here are 10 simple settings changes anyone can make. Default is a starting point, not the finish line. Today we're giving your computer a practical safety tune-up. Why change your default settings? When you buy a house, the locks are already installed. That's good news. But you still want to walk around and make sure the doors are actually locked. Windows 11 is secure out of the box, but some built-in protections need to be checked, turned on, or adjusted for real life. Step 1. Fix security holes before they are found. Go to Start, Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates. Get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Make sure this is turned on. Updates fix security holes. Without them, cybercriminals might know about weaknesses in your system before you do. Keep it updated, and you keep it a fair fight. Step 2. Set up Windows Hello for better sign-ins. Go to Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options. A Windows Hello PIN isn't the same as a web password. It is securely tied to your specific physical computer, making it much safer than a password that can be stolen from across the globe. Step 3. Close the password door completely. Go to Accounts, Sign-in Options, Additional Settings. For improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in and turn this on. Passwords can be leaked or tricked out of us. By requiring Windows Hello, you give the bad guys one less door to jiggle. Step 4. Make your PC lock automatically when you walk away. Go to Settings, Accounts, Sign-in Options, and select Dynamic Lock. Make sure you allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. An unlocked computer is like leaving your diary open on the kitchen table and hoping nobody is nosy. Good luck with that. Let your phone act as an automatic locking key. Step 5. Check your built-in bodyguard. Open Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Microsoft Defender. Make sure the following items are all turned on: real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, and automatic sample submissions. Windows 11 includes excellent built-in antivirus software. For most everyday users, it does a solid job. You just need to verify that its main protections are wide awake and active. Step 6. Turn on your Think Before You Click helper. Go to Windows Security, App and Browser Control. Check Apps and Files. Make sure it's on. Smart Screen for Edge. That needs to be on. So does Phishing Protection. And also turn on potentially unwanted app blocking. Smart Screen warns you about suspicious downloads, unsafe websites, and junk software pretending to be useful. Step 7. Put important folders under lock and key. Ransomware protection. Manage ransomware protection. Make sure you check controlled folder access. Ransomware locks up your files and demands money. Controlled folder access blocks unauthorized programs from changing your important documents. Note, if it blocks a trusted program by mistake, you can easily allow it manually. Step 8. Keep the network security guard on duty. Windows security, firewall, and network protection. Your firewall blocks unwanted traffic from sneaking into your computer. This is an absolute must-have when using public Wi-Fi at hotels, airports, or coffee shops. Make sure you've turned on all 3 of these items: domain network, private network, and public network. Step 9. Put a force field around Windows Brain. Go to Windows Security, Device Security, Core Isolation. Make sure you've checked and turned on Memory Integrity. Memory integrity protects the deepest, most important part of Windows from being tampered with by malicious software. Don't panic if it says an older driver is blocking it. That just means a driver needs updating first. Step 10. Scramble your files in case your laptop walks away. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Device Encryption. Encryption won't stop someone from stealing your laptop, but it stops them from reading what's on it. Important. Make sure your recovery key is saved safely in your Microsoft account. Lose it, and you'll lock yourself out of your own files. That's self-inflicted comedy and not the good kind. Bonus tip. Security also means recovery. Do a search for Windows Backup. Even good security isn't perfect. If something goes wrong, a backup turns a total disaster into a temporary inconvenience. Still annoying, but much better than panic with a side order of regret. Overwhelmed? Start with the top 5 priorities. Number 1, Windows Update. That fixes the holes. Windows Hello closes the password door. Smart Screen. Your think before you click helper. Ransomware protection guards your important files. Backups, your ultimate safety net. Doing these 5 gives you a massive security upgrade without needing to memorize tech terms or call a nephew named Kevin who fixed a printer once in 2009. Safer does not have to mean harder. The best computer security is the kind you can actually use. You don't have to do everything perfectly. Just take one step, then another. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep learning. Take a few minutes to give your PC a safety tune-up. And don't be a stranger. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.